Travel to Turkey with a visit visa and convert to a residence permit. Move with family. Comprehensive guide: how to apply for a Turkey visit visa as a Nigerian, plus how to convert to a residence permit. Requirements for a Turkey visit visa for Nigerians. As a Nigerian citizen, you must apply in person for a Turkey visa, unless you hold a valid Schengen, UK, US, or Ireland visa, which may make you eligible for an e-visa. Basic requirements: completed Turkey visa. Application: form passport, valid for at least 6 months after your travel date. At least 2 blank pages. 2 recent passport-sized photos. White background, not older than 6 months. Flight reservation. Round trip. Ticket. Hotel reservation or invitation letter, if staying with a host. Proof of financial means. Bank statement for the last 3 to 6 months. Minimum balance. N$10,000, N$16,000. Travel insurance, covering the full duration of stay in Turkey. Employment or business documentation. Letter from employer, if employed. CAC certificate and company bank statement, if self-employed. Introduction. Letter from applicant stating purpose of visit, travel dates, accommodation, and relationship to host, if applicable. Police clearance certificate, visa fee receipt, paid at the bank assigned by the embassy. If you need more explanation on applying, writing your CV, cover letter, and email template, speak to Happy Face section 2. Steps to apply for Turkey visit visa in Nigeria. Step 1. Prepare all required documents. Ensure you have all the documents mentioned above, including flight and hotel bookings, preferably refundable. Proof of income, employment, and ties to Nigeria. Step 2. Fill out the online visa form. Visit the official Turkey visa pre-application system. Select your visa type, tourist visit. Fill in your details, book your appointment with the Turkey embassy in Abuja or Lagos. Step 3. Pay visa fee. Pay the non-refundable visa fee via the designated bank. Keep the receipt. You'll need it during submission. Step 4. Attend your visa appointment. Go to the Turkish embassy or consulate on your appointment date with your documents. Biometric data, fingerprints, will be taken. You may be asked a few questions about your trip and financial status. Step 5. Wait for visa. Decision processing time, 7 to 15 working days. May differ due to the embassy. You will be contacted via phone or email once the decision is made. If you need more explanation on applying, writing your CV, cover letter, and email template, speak to Happy Face section thou. Upon arrival in Turkey, converting a visit visa to a residence permit. Yes, it is possible to apply for a residence permit while in Turkey on a visit visa, but only under certain conditions. Documents needed for residence permit. Short-term stay residence permit application form, filled online. Original passport, plus copy 4. Passport-sized photos. Valid visa, or entry stamp proof of Turkish address. Rental contract, notarized by a Turkish notary, or address declaration by host, if staying with someone. Tax number, get from Turkish tax office. Health insurance, valid in Turkey for your stay period. Proof of sufficient financial means, approx. $500–600 month. Payment receipt for residence permit fees. Steps to convert. Visit visa to residence permit. Enter Turkey on your visit. Visa must be valid at the time of application. Within the first 30 days, go to https://ikamet.go.gov.tr and fill the residence permit application. Choose short-term residence permit based on tourism. Book an appointment with the Directorate General of Migration Management in your city. Get a Turkish tax number. Visit any vergi dairesi tax office with your passport to get this for free. Needed to pay your residence permit fees. Buy valid Turkish health insurance. Many insurance companies offer foreigner packages starting around L500, L1000 tolerant for a year. Gather all documents and go for your appointment. Submit documents at the immigration office. You may be interviewed. Wait for approval. You will receive a residence permit card by mail in a few weeks if approved. You can legally live in Turkey while awaiting the card. If you need more explanation on applying, writing your CV, cover letter, and email template, speak to Happy Face. Important notes: you must apply for residence permit before your visit visa expires, usually 30 or 90 days. Residence permit is valid for up to 1 year and can be renewed. A touristic residence permit does not give you the right to work. If you want to work in Turkey, you must apply separately for a work permit, usually through a company/employer. Final tips: always provide genuine and complete information. Get a travel agent or visa consultant if you're confused or want help with bookings and documents. Arrive early on your appointment day. Dress neatly, show ties to Nigeria, property, job, family, etc. to increase visa approval chances. If you need more explanation on applying, writing your CV, cover letter, and email template, speak to Happy Face.